Hey there, I am John Omorui. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 8 common reasons men lose interest in women. If you enjoy videos like this, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell notification so that you be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Most women must have experienced their men losing interest in them and pulling away at least once in their lifetime. It's like one day your man is devoted and so attracted to you, and the next thing you know they're looking for ways to avoid you. And in no time, he seems distant whenever you both try to spend time together. This is more like watching your breakup in slow motion. This feeling where the man starts to pull away and lose interest hurts a lot. If you wish to find out the reasons why this happens, we've got you covered. For men, reasons for losing interest in a relationship with a woman they once liked could be one of the 5 common ones listed below. Number 1. Your emotions are too loud. When you first meet a guy, you aren't fully attached to him emotionally, and so you seem cool and calm all the time. But once you both have dated for a while, you tend to become more emotionally involved with your man. Your feelings will start to show, which is quite natural for women. Men start to sense how quickly the relationship moves from carefree to serious. And when they notice this, they don't know how to respond, and so they pull away. Number 2. Your insecurity. As a woman, if you're the type who constantly nags your man about other women or keeps a check on him and his phone every now and then, he'll know you're very insecure. Interrogating your man about his female friends and questioning his every move is going to make him lose interest in you eventually. Number 3. You sound desperate. If you notice your man pulling away, it might be because you're emotionally unequipped. This means you're not happy with yourself, and your man can easily become your sole source of happiness. This will suffocate him, and in no time, he will distance himself from you. Number 4. Disrespect. Nothing makes people fed up more than constant disrespect. Being belittled, being made to feel like nothing, having your importance questioned, and being made to feel like your presence, opinions and being doesn't count for much. Anyone would seek to get out of a relationship under the circumstances like this, most certainly men would too. Number 5. You trying to force love on him. When you start dating a man, no matter how amazing it seems in the beginning, it's essential to keep your heart out of the situation. Only once you're both serious about your feelings is when you should move forward in a relationship. When a woman starts to get too emotionally involved, she will try to force love on the man. This might not be the case for the man, and he will soon pull away. Number 6. You're not supportive. You should always let your man know that you're riding for him, that you've got his back, especially if he is doing his best to do right by you. If your words and actions rarely show support or any interest in the things he holds dear, he might start to feel that you do not care about him. Number 7. Cheating. Men are notorious for finding it challenging to deal with a woman who cheats on them. No one does, but men have a notoriety for being more intolerant to it. That's ironic, though, as women tend to forgive cheating from men a lot. Number 8. You giving sex up too soon. When it comes to having physical intimacy, women and men are total opposites. Women feel more emotionally connected and attracted when they sleep with a man. Guys, on the other hand, sleep with a woman and easily lose interest and move on. And so, giving up sex with a guy too early on can be one of your biggest mistakes for him to start pulling away from you. If you give it up too soon, he won't have to work for it, and chances are, he'll put you down as just another fling. Let's show you how to do it.